to the kingdom is knowing, learning, and understanding this, that the heart is the home and the seat of various feelings and emotions that cannot be trusted. And when we move based on our heart and our consciousness without filtering it through the wisdom of God by way of the Holy Spirit, others become a casualty of a stray bullet that came out of our gun. See, the thing is, don't victimize others because you did not properly filter your consciousness, because you didn't properly filter your feelings and your emotions through the wisdom of God. Don't let people catch a stray because you did not filter your consciousness through the wisdom of God.